okayfm 101.7.
Yeah, man, some for na asem no.
Back to Assin North. I'm not the echo by an family. Miami Senior, Chachikata, Echo Court, our Court of Appeal, our Cape Coast. Na Oko Court of Appeal, our Cape Coast, no. Na our applications be before the court. One of it, Minister, okay, one of the 3-member panel, one of the judges, and recusing every panel also for some reasons. I don't want to discuss the details. Now, the issue about so, Tama, yes, file appeal. Once you file appeal, there will be a records of appeal. Records, no, generate the court below. So in this case, the High Court. High Court no be transmitted the record no at the Court of Appeal. Na Court of Appeal omoye the friend no Form 6. Form 6 no it is served on you, the lawyer for the appellant. In general, the court no so oma survey that particular way no away home. Now, Omudi now we're supposed to file a written submission. I find like legal arguments, no. Yeah, file it within the time stipulated. And so we are out of time. Into the registrar, no, yeah, the FN or certificate of non-compliance. And or the command court, no. Into and court no castle. In view of the certificate of non-compliance, they will strike out the appeal. Now, when we say will be Eka, so once the appeal is struck out, that ends it. Will be behind they strike out the appeal.
The Court of Appeal, Emma, I say. Lawyers sniff written submission within 21 days, of the filing of notice of appeal. According to as stipulated by Rule 21 and then CI 19 of Court of Appeal rules.
One said, yes, it's true. So our kinds of rules. One said, they could buy and they said, in the course of this, Mr. Chikata at the application because court, the Court of Appeal said. Article 94, no. Here the different interpretations are also. Petitioner also the different interpretations are also. So in view of Article 132, I say in the course of any proceedings, if an issue of interpretation arises, the court shall see its proceedings and refer the matter to the apex court. That's the Supreme Court. Or this application at the Court of Appeal say, look, 94, no, we are still juggling as to the true import of 94. Or say, Court of Appeal say, almost still proceedings now, omonfa when and comma, yananama, omo Supreme Court on. So, momoka, na bibia banaye. The application was opposed.
Lawyer, because we go to Article 13, Clause 2 of the Constitution. Say, the court breached it. Or we determine that proceeding without staying proceedings,
Mr. Chikata filed the FN within that time. And also, once they are filing for right, say a also make a submission before the written submission, then it will look like we are defeating our own matter. What I say? Recently, answer Supreme Court and refuses on the stay proceedings of the orders of the Court of Appeal, and so
now lawyer, what more me hakakra? May my appeal, may appeal na. Say SM me written submissions. Why I want the court to do.
It doesn't work like that.
Oh, okay.
There are rules.
Okay.
First, no, all you file a notice of appeal. That's what invokes the appellate jurisdiction. We are court no below no. Ebe the friend no records no. The records who are court below no. I say on friend in court of appeal. No lawyer be any appeal is by way of pre-hearing. If you call appeal, appellate court need to say the court below. If you say the court in the court below.
And we saw a written submission be
obey yeah, but before obey no, as a court of appeal who the records in the court below.
Okay.
Into photocopying it, no bundle, it take a lot of time. We are having a form on you. At that point, the appeal is being said it is now before the court of appeal. The court of appeal will now give you file or written submission maybe 21 days. We are the respondent so 21 days to respond. We are so a replier. No follow or reply. Some money in our because I say housekeeping. What I say, and non American say within that same period, yes, file normally be a court of Supreme Court based on their court so court of appeal. So decision court of appeal Supreme Court make one of them relates to the fact that we wanted the proceedings at the court of appeal stayed. Supreme Court had the decision by a 3-2 majority. Kulendi, Ronyenuga, and I think Tokono, with Foreman Doji dissenting. Omudi decision by I think a week ago. So based on that, all these intervening process, but in the wisdom of the Court of Appeal, once there is a certificate of non-compliance, they will strike it out. Now, usually when this thing happens, what you do is file the friend motion or notice to relist the appeal. That's what I say. Now, what relist the appeal? Once you relist the appeal, then the appeal comes back to life. Into which court now can say they are dismissing the appeal. The two have a different legal consequences. If you are striking me out for this kind of non-compliance, you can release. If you dismiss, the only option available to you is to appeal. But what that is the only opportunity open to you. And I will say, Supreme Court in an earlier decision, Zakaria and Yamaka, no Monica can say, a parliamentary election, the matter ends at the Court of Appeal. I also need any further right of appeal to the apex court. So that's a different matter altogether. So at this point, what we are dealing with is a striking out. And there's always the opportunity for you to apply to the court to have it relisted. And once you have it relisted, the case goes back to as though the appeal was never struck out. So that's where we are now, brother.
By implication, it says, I want to say, yes, say, I'm qualified to say, James Jackson question on to me call Parliament view near the what does it imply? The ruling,
That's what they are interpreting it to mean. That's how they are interpreting it. But like I pointed out to you, there's always an opportunity. The matter happened only yesterday. And Mr. Chikata no be doing crime, almost 5 p.m. I mean, driving from Cape Coast to Accra and what have you. So by close of day, I'm sure this matter has to be cured.
Oh, okay. Lo, medasa no be.
Medasa so welcome and insha.
Onsha wonso. Lawyer Godwin Edudzi Tamakloe ne na twen komo private legal practitioner.
OKFM 101.7.